Hello and welcome to another delicious video of Bon Appetit. In today's video we're going to cook this tasty creamy garlic mushrooms, but before we start, please take 5 seconds of your time to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll start by chopping the vegetables so we don't waste time with that during the cooking. Set the cooker temperature to maximum, and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a wok pan. When the oil heats up, add 2 crushed garlic cloves, and the finely chopped onions. Mix them very well so the onion can absorb the taste of the garlic. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter, and when it melts, take out the garlic cloves. Take 500 grams of chopped mushrooms, throw them in the pan, and mix everything very well. Mushrooms usually take long time to cook. When the mushrooms are fully cooked, add the garlic and mix it for 2 more minutes. Next add 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and fresh parsley. Mix this very well, and when the water is almost evaporated, add 500 milliliters of cooking cream. Next add 120 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and mix everything until it becomes creamy. You can have this with rice, chicken, pasta, or just a piece of toasted bread. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Here's a few more of them for you to try out. I'll see you in the next one.